Illuminated LED wheel rings have been one of our best-selling products for quite some time now. And today we're going to be taking a look at our newest addition to that lineup, the RGB+W illuminated wheel rings. These feature all of the same eye-catching, color-changing effects as our popular ColorSHIFT wheel rings, now with an added set of true 6000K white LEDs. That makes this kit a perfect pairing with our new RGB+W rock lights for simultaneous control in the all-new Oracle ColorSHIFT smartphone app. Alright, so when you open the box, you'll find instructions, our control unit, some install hardware, zip ties, and our 4 wheel rings. As you can see here, the rings come with the brackets pre-installed, and this black coating is actually an anti-corrosive black powder coat to prevent corrosion from being under the vehicle. Moving on, we've got our 10-foot cable, which plugs directly into our included Bluetooth controller. All of the cables are IP68 waterproof rated, so is the controller. Once you plug this in, you make sure your arrows are matching for your keyways, and all that's left to do is connect your red and black wires direct to your battery. For added convenience, we've included this on-off switch, and the best part is that you don't have to go back into the app to reset the color. So for more info on this product and others, check out www.oraclelights.com. Hit us up on our socials.